Hi viewers, as per many of your requests, we are back with a video regarding puppy training or training of puppies. Dogs are pack animals by nature. Hours of loneliness at home can be stressful to your puppy. This can lead to chewing, soiling and barking, such kind of behavioral changes. So, it's important to mold your puppy to such a stage where they can spend time on their own. Puppies can learn very quickly and enjoy a well designed training session. Puppy training is good for their physical and mental well being. It can help your puppy to cope with unfamiliar experiences and make them more comfortable in social situations. There will be a question arising in many of your minds: when should I start giving training to my puppy? So, the answer is it's always better to start the training in the earlier months of their life when they are most receptive to new experiences. The amount and type of training depends upon the type of use. For some people, it will be like we have to give a strict training under a professional trainer for some guarding purpose or for sports activities, hunting activities, or something like that. Or for some others, it will be like just we have to teach him some more commands like come, sit, stand, likewise, and some house training or toilet training. So it varies depending upon the owner and as well as depending upon the breed. Okay, so almost all dogs should learn the five basic commands, namely heel, sit, down, stay, and come. Training should begin as soon as the new puppy arrives home. The puppy should learn its name, the basic corrective word no, and the praise words good boy or good girl. The puppy will slowly learn what type of behavior are acceptable at your place and what are not. Owner's voice is the best corrective tool. A strong authoritative no is all that is necessary. The best approach is to always use the same words for the same commands and encourage your family members also to use the same language. This can help in preventing them from getting confused. The puppy will soon learn that he will be corrected if something is done wrong and if he will be praised if he does something right. When he does something praiseworthy, you can go for a low calorie snack, a healthy treat, or even a favorite toy can be gifted. The training should be of short duration as they won't stay with attention for long hours, but the same sessions have to be repeated a few times. Another important training tip is you should never be too strict. Training takes time, so be patient and don't punish them when things don't go according to your plan. The puppy should never be hit or threatened with a hand or objects. This can make them move away from the owner in the fear of being beaten. Some of you may be experiencing the naughty behaviors like puppy chews the furniture or urinates in the house anywhere. Okay, the best way to make him clear that something is forbidden is to say a very clear no at that very moment itself. This can help him associate the mistake with correction. If you couldn't do the correction immediately after the incident, better not to go for it. Puppies are babies, so they forget quickly. If they are punished for an inappropriate behavior that occurred several minutes earlier, the puppy may not realize why he is being corrected, so that is of no use at all. To be a good companion and member of the family, a dog should be house trained. Here are some tips for toilet training. Confine your puppy to one or two rooms in the house where the family spends most of their time so that you can keep an eye on the puppy. If you can't supervise them, encourage them to stay inside their sleeping box or crate. Puppies are less likely to soil their sleeping areas. Then feed your puppy at regular times so that they get used to that same routine. Take your puppy to the eliminating place after meals and naps. Take them to the same place each time so they recognize their own scent. If you find puppy turning around and sniffing the floor indoors, these are all signs that they may need to go out. And most of the pet owners raise a complaint like puppy is peeing a lot. Reason behind it is puppies are having a small bladder and hence they won't be able to hold the urine for long. If some accidents happen, don't scold them. Instead, clean that area with a good disinfectant so that he may not sniff that area again and pee on the same spot. You can use words such as bad dog and immediately take them out. So, three things you should keep in mind. You should have patience, correction should be done, and praise. These three things will help you to accomplish the objective of house training. As the puppy gets older, it will make its way to the door and ask to be allowed outside. Now I'll introduce to you one kind of house training. It is known as paper training. This involves laying several layers of newspapers down on the floor, usually in the area where the puppy will normally be fed. Place his food and water bowl on the newspaper. The puppy will usually relieve shortly after eating. Try to confine the puppy to the newspaper until it relieves itself. If a mistake occurs, use the words bad dog and place the puppy onto the newspaper area with elimination. As the training progresses, the area covered by the newspaper can be made smaller and closer to the door. Eventually, the newspaper can be moved outside or towards the toilet area, and thus the training can be given for toilet purpose. So that's all regarding puppy training. Hope you enjoyed the video and you got a little bit of information. Thank you.